equivalent or SLC with Kannada language as
That
first
has to
language.
be,
My lord, that he has completed within 68. First petition, I have said it in para 4, my lord.
No, you have not submitted any representation.
Representation I have
submitted,
said
my
that.
lord, annexure
I have
H, my
E
lord.
to H.
Annexure
E to
H and G.
of keeping in
Obliged.
view of that judgment.
Obliged.
Annexure E to my lord H are the representations from all the petition, 4 petitioners, and they have submitted it, my
That
lord,
whether it is an
individually.
equivalent to that, they will take decision.
Yes, annexure H,
Annexure E
E in the start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ,
in
H
the
ವರೆಗೂ.
H ವರೆಗೆ.
E in the H ವರೆಗೂ.
Yes.
ಹೌದು.
This
There are,
petition, petitioner seeking mandamus directing the respondent to consider the representation submitted by the petitioner annexure E to
petitioners
H.
4 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Petitioners annexure E to H in terms of order passed by this court in writ petition number in writ appeal 2779. The case of the petitioner that you retired agidira
Retired, all of them are retired.
was appointed as a teaching staff at Lawrence Higher Primary School. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ
Very,
ಸ್ಕೂಲ್
very school. I have stated, my lord, at para 2,
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾನ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್
not teaching.
petitioners were appointed as a
Teaching staff, my lord, all of them are teachers.
appointed as a teachers in different private education institution. All these posts are admitted to granting it.
Admitted to grant.
The petitioner post was admitted to granting aid. The further case of the petitioner that all the petitioners has passed Kannada language examination as per that, which is that provision.
Rule 6 of
Rule
Kannada
6.
language exam rules.
Rule 6 of
Civil rules.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು
Alla, that is not.
ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್
There is one more judgment, my lord, in which it is extracted. May, my lord, forward. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು judgment ಇದೆ. There is one more judgment of this honorable court in Jaina's case.
The petitioners are entitled one increment as per Rule 6 of Karnataka Civil Service bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ Service and Kannada Language Examination Rules 1974. Further case of the petitioner that in similarly situated persons, this court in writ petition number 58694-58703 of 2014 disposed of on 28 November 2018 wide annexure K has granted an increment. Since the petitioner is concerned, respondent has not granted any for one increment as per the rules. Therefore, they have submitted a representation wide annexure E to H dated 3/7. A different date ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
The respondent has not considered that representation submitted by the petitioner. Hence, the petitioner is before this court. The government advocate appearing for the state has submitted that representation submitted by the petitioner will be considered in accordance with law if this court grants some reasonable time. In view of the above, without expressing any opinion on the merit of the case, the respondents are directed to consider that. Which respondent has to consider?
Lord, all of respond number 1 to 4.
Respondents are directed to consider that representation wide annexure E to H submitted by the petitioner in accordance with law, keeping in view of judgment of this court in writ petition number annexure K. As expeditiously as possible, not later than 3 months from
one more request, my lord. If they are passed equivalent qualifying examination.
in accordance with law, keeping in view of that judgment. That's
Yes.
all I said. I have not said that consider in terms of that judgment.
Obliged. ಆ ರೂಲ್ 6 ಒಂದು ಸಮಯ ಅದು ಒಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. That is not the rule, relevant rule.
No, that is what that referred, whether it is applicable to this
Was
institution.
That was in 86 only, it is
All of them.
repealed, my lord. Lord, may seek indulgence to page 51, my lord. That is the rule which is prescribed for that benefit, my lord.
Which is that rule?
Lord, rule 3.
Rule 3 of which rule?
ಇದು ಇವ್ರದ್ದು aided schools, Swami. Karnataka Educational Institution
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
Recruitment as
Yes.
Condition of Employee Private Aided
As
Institutions,
per that,
1918.
ಆ rules ತೆಗ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Karnataka Education Institution, bracket recruitment and term and conditions of service of employees in private aided primary and secondary education institution, rule 1999.
Apply.
Yes.
Cell number 7, L. Siddhaya for petitioner.
Oblige.
Yes. Yes, Mr. You file an appeal.
Pardon, my lord.
Appeal, you file an appeal, see the division bench judgment. Yes.
Lord, kindly see that they have not at all followed any rule.
ಅದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. We can't decide that. A division bench judgment.
Allah, they should have to follow the rules. That was the directions given by this honorable court.
No, therefore, if rule is not followed, you challenge it before that appeal. Either EAT or state government. That is what the division bench said. Yes. In this writ petition.
This honorable court may kindly consider it because
I can't entertain, Mr. There is a remedy of appeal under section 94 of Act. Yes.
94 Educational Appellate Tribunal.
You read that division bench judgment, Mr.
Yes, I have gone
Remedy
through.
against the order of imposing penalty of dismissal, removal, reduction in the rank by way of appeal to that education appellate tribunal. The remedy against an order of imposing any other penalty is by way of appeal to that competent authority. Yes.
That's why there is no specific word in that particular compulsory retirement, my lord.
Yes.
For that reason only, since they have not at all
I think that order passed by that education institution
much against the rules.
compulsory retirement of the petitioner from the service. The petitioner has an alternative efficacious remedy of appeal under section 94 of Education Act.
Or else division bench, or else division bench of this honorable court, or else division bench of this honorable court.
ನಾನೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ division bench ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಬೇಕು? With law is prevails or division bench? Yes. Division bench has explained. Yes. The outset.
One thing I want to mention, my lord, one thing I want to mention. They have not at all allowed me to give my statements, my cross examinations are also.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ appeal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Yes. In view of the above, the writ petition is disposed of, reserving liberty to the petitioner to approach appropriate legal forum under section 94 of Education Act.
Serial number 8, Bhargav D. Bhatt for petitioner.
Yes. 94. ಕೊಡಿ ಅವರು.
For the petitioner, my lords.
Yes, Mr.
Serial number 8,
The second respondent, my lords, is my employee. I am the government of Karnataka undertaking, my lords. He was not given promotion, so he approaches, my lords, the first respondent, which is the National SC/ST Commission. Lords, the National SC/ST Commission, my lords, issues a notice which I have impugned before your lordships at Annexure A. Translated copy, my lords, is on page number 13. Lords, I'll just
Now
read
you
this.
are working where?
Lords, I am not working. I am the KPCL, my lords. I am the authority. I am the employer.
You are the employer.
Yes, my lords.
Now what is the directions?
Lords, Annexure A, page number 13 is the translated copy of the impugned notice issued by the National SC/ST Commission, which is the respondent number 1. Lords, I'll just read the subject. Regarding grant of promotion benefit to the post of Assistant Executive Engineer Civil from 5/11/2008 to Shri so and so, who's Lords, they have said you have not given backlog promotion and they've entered into the dispute, my lords, the National SC/ST Commission. This matter, my lords, is covered by a judgment of the coordinate bench of this honorable court, where they say that the power of the SC/ST Commission, my lords, does not extend to service matters. So the SC/ST, my lords, page number 35.
Now that direction they have issued.
Come and participate before us. They've issued summons to give documents, otherwise we will take
Please
precipitative
note
action.
that commission does not receive your reply within that. Where is that judgment?
My lords, page number 35. I produce it along with the writ petition.
Yes.
Paragraph 6. Similar matter, my lords. There also the commission had issued a direction.
Yes.
Paragraph 6, my lords. It is imperative to accentuate that the jurisdiction and authority vested in the National Commission for Scheduled Castes are delineated specifically to matters pertaining to the protection, welfare, and socio-economic development of scheduled castes as envisaged under Article 338 of the Constitution of India. Within this purview, the NCSC is mandated to investigate, monitor, and advise on issues concerning the safeguards provided for SCs under the Constitution. However, it is axiomatic that the ambit of the NCSC's jurisdiction does not extend to adjudicating upon or entertaining complaints relating to service matters, specifically those pertaining to seniority and promotion. Such matters, by their very nature, fall within the realm of administrative law and are subject to adjudication by specialized adjudicatory bodies, such as administrative tribunals with competence in service-related disputes. That's why, my lords, I have sought for a stay of that, of the impugned proceedings. Pursuant to the impugned notice, my lords, I have sought stay. In fact, they had issued an earlier notice. I have issued response saying that this is the position of law. In spite of that, they've issued the second notice. That's why I'm before your lordships.
Issue notice. Stay of annexure A. Till next date of hearing. Issue another notice.
Stay of further proceedings antadre pursuant to annexure.
Stay of further proceedings.
Lord, may I make one submission in these kinds of matter, my lord, where the order has been passed, such order has passed by this honorable court, also take contention that they doesn't have a jurisdiction to decide over the service matter, my lord. But if somebody makes a complaint, even he is an employee, my lord, they have to report, it has to be submitted to the government. For that extent, they have to give information, my lord. That
No, the question is, any dispute in respect of service matter, can it be entertained?
my lord, may I request, my lord?
That is what that this court
How
has
they,
said.
no, that is where, my lord, they have issued a direction saying that you promote him, that the commission doesn't have any power.
Is that if that promotion is not given,
Oblige, my lord.
seniority is overlooked, salary is not paid,
Oblige.
whether the remedy is to approach this court or they have to go to that commission. That's
Lord,
the commission. Is it that conducting any inquiry in respect of the service matter? That is what the issue
That is,
is.
my lord, the crux of the matter.
Under the act, whether they have such a power.
What is the crux, my lord? He can make a complaint, my lord. They can ask the replay and report it to the government. But
No.
in certain extent
All
where
they cannot entertain, whether they have any jurisdiction
that
to
I will
entertain.
show, my lord.
That we have to be, see, they have given a jurisdiction to certain extent. In all aspects, they can be entertained or not. Whether in the service matter, they can be entertained or not. That is that issue. Not giving any reply. First that whether they have any jurisdiction to entertain the complaint. Yes.
Oblige, my lords.
Serial number 9, Vijay Raghava Sarathi.
Seeking for redesignation, lordship. The applicant, the petitioner who is appointed on compassionate appointment, initially on a group D basis.
Yes.
Since he holds the requisite license and he was been placed under group C as a driver, but they are giving only the allowances, not they are redesignated to the post. And for all others, they have redesignated.
Yes, you are, who is that respondent? Housing board, you will take notice. Issue of government advocate is directed to take notice for respondent number 1.
2 and 3, they will.
So is undertake to appear for respondent number 2 and 3.
I mean, sir,
Counsel for
permitted
the
to serve the
petitioner is
copy.
directed to serve one set of copies on respective terms. Yes.
Serial number 10, Satish K for petitioner.
Yes.
Let's I appear for petitioner, my lords. Some matter pertaining to issuance of endorsement and letter by respondent number 3 and 2, which rendered the petitioner ineligible for the post of library assistant, my lords. On 22/10/2016, respondent number 2 was notified for 35 vacant posts available for the post of library assistant, my lords. The petitioner was applied to the said post under the physically handicapped persons category, my lords. On 20/10/2018, the provisional select list was published, in which the name of the petitioner was not included, and the reason was he doesn't have proper work experience to hold the post, my lords. And on 9/12/2020, the petitioner had challenged the said provisional select list before the court constituted under the Rights of Physically Disabled Persons Act 2016 in case number 22/2019 and 20, my lords.
Yes.
And it was ordered to recruit the petitioner for the post of library assistant. Being aggrieved by this order, respondent number 2 and 3 challenged the said order before this honorable court in writ petition number 23429 of 2021 on 14/12/2021, my lords. And on 29/7/2024, this honorable court was pleased to dispose of this said writ petition by ordering to verify whether the petitioner has requisite work experience and educational qualification to hold the post of library assistant, and
What
consequently
has happened to that after that?
after that endorsement was issued, my lords, by respondent number 3 stating that the petitioner does not have requisite work experience, my lords.
Yes. Yes, you have no such qualification.
I have work experience, my lords. I have produced the work
Yes, you
experience
take notice.
certificates in
Government advocate is directed to take notice for 1 and 2. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve 2 sets of copies on government advocate. Who is there for Karnataka
Lord, one request, my
Public
lord.
Service Commission? Huh?
I think these are the posts were called by the KPSC in connection with the public library, my lord. Those are the
Government.
next year, yeah, maybe.
No, in which
Civil
the department?
Civil post,
Where?
not second respond department, my lord.
Second respondent department.
Commissioner of Department of Public Library, my lord.
Yes, madam, you have to go to that KT.
my lords. The order of court constituted under Rights of Physically Disabled Person Act was questioned before this honorable court only, my lords.
No, not that the post which you are seeking is in a civil post. You have to go to that KT, there they will decide whether earlier also you have approached this court entertained, but that is not that this thing.
My lords, Legal Service Authority matter, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು ಲೀಗಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತಿಲ್ಲ. Will permitted to go there. Yes, at outset, the government advocate has submitted that.
Lord, it is not the petition filed by previous occasion, Lord. I am not the petitioner. State had filed a petition, Lord,
Against what?
against the order passed by the Lord commission, which is at page 46.
No, that comes under the, that is not a disputed issue, my lord. What they are
Yeah,
seeking
then,
now here in this writ petition,
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
that is the appointment
la.
and notification.
Our state ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು there is no bar for me to decide, but you yourself has come before this court saying that even then if it is in a commission order passed by that commission, it is related to that civil post. Can't that KT decide?
My lord, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಅದು. We have challenged the order of the commission in annexure C, my lord. That is the order of commission, not the in relation to the post which is called to be civil post, my lord.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಇದೇ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಮೈ learned friend,
Commission order has been challenged, my lord. He is seeking a recruitment for the post. But the state has challenged the order of the commission, my lord.
Lord, the facts are, my lord, I appeared before the Lord KPSC. They, Lord, public service,
For which post?
Lord, library assistant,
Is it not a civil post?
Lord,
It is in that library established by that government.
yes, my lord.
That is Department of Library, Public Library.
Public.
My case was not considered. Lord, I approached the commission. Lord, the annexure B is the order passed at page 32. Lord, the court directed to consider my case for selection. Being agreed by that order, state preferred writ petition.
No, that is true.
This
Now that
honorable court, my lord,
Think that
please,
the post which you are seeking for appointment, is it not a civil post?
Lord, it is in,
If it is in a civil post, whoever may be that authority who has passed an order, KT has in a jurisdiction. Even that first time state approach this court is also not correct.
state, my lord, preferred writ petition.
Wrong, that is wrong, but that's.
My lord, thereafter, my lord, it was disposed of. Relegating the state to, my lord, consider the matter afresh.
Yes.
Then, my lord, KPSC issued an endorsement that my case cannot be considered. Thereafter, my lord, annexure F, page
There is no dispute on that. Now, that issue, it is in respect of the civil post. Is it not that you have to be approached that KT? That is what that, yes.
But the legal services though. but,
ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು law is consistent.
I-
Yes. ಒಂದ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, see, yesterday that matter has been argued to show that in one matter I had disposed of giving a 3 weeks time to interim orders to continue approach, but I have distinguished where division bench has granted an interim order, therefore I have continued. If I grant one interim order, then it is in a precedent in my own cases. Therefore,
That
we
is
should be very
Milord.
careful when granting an order. Yes,
Excise.
that's what that, yes. If one matter is entertained, then unless if that other, both the parties are not brought to the notice of the court, even we have not noticed, then we can't help. Yes, now he has brought to the notice, unless I answer that question, I can't go forward. Yes. Outside, yes, learned government advocate has raised an objection that the petitioner seeking a relief against that civil post, he has to approach Karnataka Service Administrative Tribunal. In view of that judgment of Apex Court in case of L. Chandrakumar, the writ petition has to be dismissed, reserving liberty to the petitioner to approach Karnataka Administrative Tribunal. Office is directed, any original,
Illa.
Pending application.
all pending applications are disposed.
Cell number 11, Satish K.
And petitioner was posted to zone 4 as per annexure B, my lord, on 21/6/2025. Lord, against the post held by one Mr. Manu, who is going to retire on 30/6/2025. Lord, on annexure B. Lord, after his retirement of Manu, I took charge in zone 4 on 30/6/2025 as per annexure C, page 28. Now, my lord, the impugned order is annexure D. Within a period of 1 month, Lord, the private respondent number 3 is posted to my place as if, my lord, the post held
Vacant.
Manu is vacant. I am rendered without posting.
They have forgotten that whatever you have done in exercise, they have forgotten, they thought that it is vacant, they have posted. Yes. This is what happening, yes. Government advocate is directed to take notice for respondent number 1. Issue emergent notice to 2 and 3. Stay of annexure D till next date of hearing. Yes,
Dispensation.
dispense for 4 weeks.
Cell number 12, Prithvi Shamke.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
Let's appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
Let's petitioner, my lord, is an employee of the Bangalore Development Authority, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, he was posted to the present place on additional charge. My lord, and then, my lord, I was given additional charge. Your lordship will find it at page 34, my lord. Page 34.
Yes, read.
On 5/9/24,
Yes.
my lord, I was given additional charge.
Yes.
I have taken charge on 12/9/24. my lord.
Yes.
Then I was given regular charge at page 36, 17/7/25.
Yes.
My lord, from then, my lord, I am working since September 24 on additional charge. I am working, and then now, my lord, in the impugned order at page number 24, relevant portion is 24, relevant at page 25. My lord. Serial number 6. My lord, one Pratibha is posted to my place. And she belongs to revenue department. Her services are directed to be placed at the disposal of urban development department to be posted to my place. And the order is passed by the revenue department. And I am rendered without posting. I am directed to report to revenue department. I belong to BDA. Revenue department should have posted her services to UD. UD in turn to BDA, and BDA should give the posting. Revenue department directly says you will go and sit at this post in North.
No, they may be requested.
Well, no, nothing is made. Kindly have a look at, this is a page 24.
Yes.
My lords, it's a general transfer order.
ಕಂದಾಯ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಸ್ಥಳ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ವೃಂದದ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರು ಮುಂದೆ ನಮೂದಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ತನಿಖಾ ಹಾಗೂ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ
ಅದು ಸ್ಥಳ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇವರ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ನಗರಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಇಲಾಖೆ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡಿದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಂದಾಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರ, ಉತ್ತರ ವಿಭಾಗ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. She has come to take charge in my post, my lord, yesterday. Then, my lord, I brought to her notice that I am working, I am posted by an order of the commissioner. Commissioner is my appointing authority. Only he can give a posting. I am rendered without posting.
I have not been given any.
No, my lord. Revenue department can't give me a posting. BD has to take action.
Yes. Heard. Issue notice. Government advocate is directed to take notice for respondent number 1 and 2. Issue emerent notice to respondent number 3 and 4. Stay of annexure A in respect of respondent number 4. Till next date of hearing.
Please. Obliged.
For 4 weeks dispensed.
Can I pass on a memo for hand?
Yes.
Serial number 13, Maruti S.
For the petitioner, my lords. Yes. Petitioner is a data entry operator, my lords, Davangere district, Dila Panchayat, my lords. Another ACA can be passed, my lord, on complaints. He has been transferred, my lord, on complaints, my lord. My lord, this is a clear contrary to the, my lord, some circular related, my lords, 3/10/2019, and as well as, my lord, this, the judgment of.
You are working where?
I am working, my lord, Attur Gram Panchayat, Vanadi Talu, Davangere district, my lords.
Gram Panchayat.
Yes, my lords. Attur Gram Panchayat, Vanadi Talu, Davangere district, my lords. As a data entry operator. Now, my lord, he has been transferred on complaints, my lords. It is not permissible under as per another, my lord, E.
Where is that transfer order?
Another C is the transfer order, my lords. Page number 18. See, my lords, can I read, my lords?
Yes.
Vanadi Taluku Attur Gram Panchayat data entry operator ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ S. ಲಂಕೇಶ್ ಬಿನ್ ಜಯಪ್ಪ ಇವರನ್ನು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ದೂರು ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ. This is not permissible, my lord, as per circular dated, my lord, 3/10/2019 Hajar E. And as well as, my lord, in the similar case, my lord, the division bench of, my lord, Dharwad bench passed an order, not is not permissible simply on the ground of, my lord, complaint cannot be transferred.
Now, whether this circular is applicable to you?
Yes, my lord, they are adopted, my lord, and as well as the judgment of the division bench of this court, my lord, clearly covered. I passed the judgment, my lords. Lord, page number 34, para 11/8, my lords. 11/8, my lords.
No, this is, no, I am asking that you are a panchayat employee.
Yes, my lords.
Is it that, which is the rule which is applicable for you?
Yeah,
So that
rule
you
is,
should
my
not
lord,
be transferred.
there is a notification, my lord, Annexure A2, my lords.
Where is that?
I will put it Annexure A2, my lords. Annexure B, my lords, sorry. Page number 14, in page number 15, my lords. As per rule 6, 7, my lords, bill collector can I read, my lords? Page number 15, my lords.
Page number 15.
15.
Item number.
Item number
5
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 6 ಬಿಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ಕಂ ಘಾಟ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಗಳ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಾಹಕ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಅನುಮೋದನೆಗೊಂಡು ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಸ್ಥಿರುವ ಬಿಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲರ್ಕಂ ಡಾಟಾ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಆಯಾ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೌಕರರು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠತೆಗೆ ಧಕ್ಕೆಯಾಗದಂತೆ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಖಾಲಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಸೇವಾವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಾರಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕದ್ದು. This transfer based on public complaint ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. It is not permissible. If the complaint comes, they ought to have conducted inquiry. This is judgment says, my lords. 11/8 of judgment says.
He has to kept under suspension, that's all. If there is any allegation, there is no ground for transfer. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೇಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ಅವ್ರ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸಾರಿ ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿ 113 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದೆಮ್. Yes. Notice. Which is the transfer order?
Transfer order just C and D, my lords.
ಏನು 2 ಯಾಕೆ C and D?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಹಾ,
ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಗೆ. I also seeking the stay of that one also, my lords.
stay of annexure C and D. Next date of hearing. Government advocate is directed to take notice for respondent number 1. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve one set of copies. ಯಾಕೆ ಇವ್ರು ಮಂಜುನಾಥನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪ್ರಭಾರ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That's why.
Issue emergent notice to respondent number 2 to 5. Dispensation for period of 4 weeks.
Serial number 14, SC Vijay Kumar.
Petitioners are all working as a Gram Panchayat, Gram Vidyut Pratinidhi. Their services is on contract basis. The division bench of this honorable court directed them to directed the state government to consider the status of the petitioner with regard to they are the regular employees or the contract employees. The one that is still pending. The division bench has granted on 24/1/25 4 months time to consider the status of the petitioners, but that was not considered.
It is dismissed, my lord. Regularization which was ordered by the single judge has been reversed by the division bench.
Your Lordship, kindly see the page number 108, Your Lordship. 105, Your Lordship. 105, Your Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship, from the 5th line from the 105, page number 105. The question whether the contract employees have the eligibility to be continued as the existing post since they were admittedly carrying out the statutory duties assigned to them shall also be specifically considered. The needful shall be done in the state by the state within the 4 months from the date of the service receipt of the copy of this judgment. What happened is of
the opinion the state is duty bound to consider that recommendation of the high level committee to.
Para 25 finally. In view of the above, we are of the opinion. Para 25, my lord, page 102.
Yes.
Your Lordship, learned single judge
Bottom of
has
the
positively directed.
Wait, Mr.
Please.
In the above view of the matter, we are of the opinion that even if the continuation of the regularization could not be ordered by this court exercising powers under 226 of the Constitution of India would be well within its powers in the facts and circumstances of the instant batch of cases in directing the state government to frame a scheme for fair wages and proper working conditions of the personnel engaged in licensed companies as part of the state policy. So regularization has been rejected. Only
that you have to frame
proper
the-
fixation of wages. So regularization is not, there is no
Now he
question
is
of
seeking
considering
for
the.
what?
Now what happened is during the pendency of that, now the petitions have been changed from one place to transferred. It is by virtue of the order at page number annexure C 106, Your Lordship. Adರಲ್ಲಿ, may I read, Your Lordship? Page number 106 annexure C.
106.
Please. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಉಪವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಾಪಕ ಓದುಗರು ಹಾಗೂ ಹೊರಗುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮಾಪಕ ಓದುಗರನ್ನು ಉಪವಿಭಾಗದ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಘಟಕದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವಾಗಿ ಆಂತರಿಕ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ.
ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸದಿಂದ ತೆಗ್ದಾಕಿಲ್ಲ
ಕೆಲಸದಿಂದ they are not paying any TADA to the petitioners. They are only paying lump sum amount to the petitioners, that too on the basis of the collection made by the petitioners.
No, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ
No, they are not considered our status of the what is our status in the respondent company.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಘಟಕದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Please, yours.
ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, now our status is still till today our status is not considered by the state whether we are the regular employees of the
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ the basic structure of the scheme is the local employees has to be give for employment giving employment. They are working in their native places but in their native places. Now they are travel to some 20 to 30 kilometers. They are not paying any TRDA for or providing any other facility to the petitioners.
ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದು?
ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು respondent number on the basis of the direction by the Bescom.
Who is their counsel for Bescom?
I have served the copy rules.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಲಾಯರ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವರು they will assign.
Advocate is directed to take notice for respondent. ಯಾರು BL ಸಂಜೀವ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್.
Please.
Has he appeared in that earlier this?
Earlier he has appeared.
ಯಾರು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು?
ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರೇ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್?
I will mention.
Who is that Prasanna Kumar?
I will state it.
But so far as whether their
Prasanna
case
Kumar
is to be
P.
considered for regularization, para 27 allu bada clear ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Now we are not on
So that is not the issue in this case at all.
Now ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ. They are all local.
So
ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು expenses.
that issue has no bearing on this case,
Yes,
whether they are regular
yes.
employees or not.
Prasanna Kumar P.
Annexure D.
ಅಲ್ಲ annexure page number 61 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
What is that annexure D?
Annexure D is the issue issued by the fourth respondent. In that one of the petitioner is there.
ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತನಾ?
ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ.
ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ ಒಂದರದ್ದು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಪ್ರಾತಿಗಳ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ. Yes.
Serial number 3 is the petitioner is this.
D ಏನದು?
Please, annexure D1 is the in respect of other petitioners. ಒಟ್ಟು 10 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ annexure D ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, annexure D1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು 9 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
10 ಜನ.
Yes. Our government advocate is directed to take notice for respondent number 1. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve one set of copies, issue emergent notice to 2 to 5. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve one set of copies, government advocate. Stay of annexure D and D1 only in respect of petitioner is concerned.
Please.
Till next date of hearing.
Please.
Office objection, first time matter, serial number 15, Akshay Ramachandra Uttar.
For petition, my lord.
Yes.
Office objection today, comply, course of day complied, my lord. ಇವತ್ತು ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
What is that urgency?
Guest teacher meeting. Guest lecture meeting.
The phrase, my lord, this is the petitioner is a deceased, the wife of Darshimurthy, my lord, due to death of COVID-19. The government is notification granted extra compensation 30 lakh, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತೇ ತಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು.
Agency, my lord.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಇವತ್ತು ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, my lord. ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ
ನಾಳೆ ಏನಾರ ಅನಾಹುತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಲೀಸರ್ಲಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ. 2 days time is granted to comply office objection. Leave this matter. Leave this matter on 20th. You comply in the meantime.
grateful.
Yes.
Serial number for orders, serial number 16, Subramanya HV for appellant.
Appellant is
guilty.
A1, A2 of 25, my lord. Appellant
yes.
number 3 was died, my lord.
No, that you have moved this matter for settlement.
Compromise, please.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, compromise ಆಗಿದೆ. IMA ballot, my lord, compromise.
ಅಯ್ಯೇ ಯಾರು ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Appellant number 3, my lord.
Now that who is that LRs? What is that suit for, Mr.?
Partition.
Partition. Now their matter has been settled. All the parties are there.
No, my lord, is IMA ballot.
Now who is that? Which appellant is that?
Appellant number 3, my lord.
Appellant number 3.
Please.
Muniyappa.
Please, my lord.
Who are that LRs?
Is a Siddhamma.
ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ?
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸರ್.
You have no objection, will allow that. ಏನ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂರು ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದ? Yes. IA number? Non-compliant. IA 2 of 25 is filed for bringing LRs of deceased appellant number 3. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent has no objection to allow that application for the reason stated in that accompanying affidavit. The IA 2 of 2025 is allowed. The LRs of deceased appellant number 3 is permitted to come on record. Learned counsel for that appellant is permitted to amend the cast title. Non-amendment of the cast title, discharging of the guardian of that R1. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Memorandum of objection dated so and so filed by that appellant. Compromise petition 2023 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ 23 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 24 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ? Which date you want?
Next week, my lord, any day.
On 30th.
Please, my.
30th, all parties are coming.
Please,
ಅದ್ರ ಏನೇನ್ amendment ಇದೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
please, madam.
Yes.
ಎರಡು amendment ಇದೆ.
Yes. ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
Serial number 17, Vinayaka Vishnu Bhatt for petitioner.
I'm appearing for
VD
petitioner.
Kuttappa.
I have taken the steps in the morning. The
Yes.
Steps have been taken.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that needful has been done. Office to verify and proceed further.
Please.
Yes.
Serial number 18, Dr. D. Sannadurgappa petitioner 14%.
Yes.
ಸೊ ಒಂದು ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಇದ್ರ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಈ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
No office objection.
ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
Provision of the prior IA to be stated correctly. Provision of IA 4 of 2025 stated correctly. 4 of 2025 attesting as a true copy.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
You have to comply all this office objection.
ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
Then how this review petition is maintainable?
ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ, ನಾನೇ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ವಜಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಪೀಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಪೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿ, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂನು ವಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ. Again, how can you file this review, mister? You have to file a review of the division bench which has dismissed your review, or you have to go to the apex court.
ಸರ್
Not here.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಇದು ವಿಷಯಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆನೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆದಾಗೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ರಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಟ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ. ರಿಟ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ, ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇನಾರ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ನನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್
ಸರ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಇದು ನನಗೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊದಲ್ಲೇ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ,
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಅಪೀಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ. ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾನ್ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಐದರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಲ್ ಎನ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೇಂಟೈನಬಲ್ ಯಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫೋರ್ಸಿಬಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ, ನಾನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐದರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಆರ್ ದ ಅಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಮೀ. ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಸರ್ ತಮ್ಮಿಂದನೇ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡದಿದ್ರು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ವೋ ಕೇಳಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಈ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾರು ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊನ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
ನೀವು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಪಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ
ಸರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ
ಸರ್? ನಾನು ಆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಾಳಿ. ಎಸ್, even though office has raised an objection regarding that maintainability in this writ petition, petitioner has sought seeking review of the prayer. Order dated 6/4/2016. Passed in WP number 19594 of 2015. Being aggrieved by that, order passed in that WP number 19594 of 2015. Petitioner has filed an writ appeal before this court in writ appeal number 1024 of 2018. The division bench by order dated 16th April 2018 has dismissed that appeal, confirmed that order passed by that learned single judge dated 6th April 2016. Being agreed by that order of the division bench dated 16th April 2018, the party in petitioner has filed the review petition before division bench in review petition number 171 of 2018. The division bench on 16th August 2019 has dismissed that revision petition. Order passed by the division bench, order dated 16th April 2018 is confirmed. Under these circumstances, the review petition filed by the petitioner seeking review of the order dated 6th April 2016 is not maintainable. Accordingly, review petition is dismissed. Yes. All pending applications are disposed.
Serial number 19, Basavaraju Girish Bandi.
Petitioner.
Yes.
My lord,
Furnishing of PF issue notice to R3.
already served the third responding notice served ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Copy also served. Second respond present my lord. First
R3 ಯಾರ ನೀವು R3 ಗಾ?
R2 ಗೆ.
Who is R3? Managing director.
R3 ಗೆ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮ. Already ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ copy also served.
And summons ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
And summons ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಖುದ್ದಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ serve ಮಾಡಿ.
He is no longer representing R3. Permitted director to instruct that so and so. ಯಾರ್ರೀ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಇದಾರ? ಕಾಲ ಗಿರಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಇದಾರ?
ಗಿರಿಕುಮಾರ್.
ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಗೆ. Will direct that you serve a copy to that SV Girikumar. He is directed to take notice for respondent number 3. What is this matter, Mr.?
My lord, within 2 months transfer importing order, my lord.
Based on allegations.
No allegations, my lord.
Enquiry ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Annex D, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಫಾಯಿ ಕರ್ಮಚಾರಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮ ನಿಯಮಿತ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ 21/2025 ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕತ್ತಾರ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಅನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಈ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿ ಮುತ್ತರಾಜ್ ತಾಲೂಕು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ BR ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇವರ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ನಿಯೋಜಿತ ಮೇಲೆಗೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಫಾಯಿ ಕರ್ಮಚಾರಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮ ಮೈಸೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಇವರನ್ನು ತಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದೇ ರೀಸನ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ವಿತಿನ್ 2 ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಆಯ್ತು, 2 months ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Petition ಇದು. He has been asked to be repatriated to the government.
See, ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿಗಮ ಇವರು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ನಿಯೋಜನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ
ಪ್ರಿಮೆಚೂರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್
ಇವರು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಸದರಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. You have been repatriated to your original place, parental department.
ಇಲ್ಲ, 2 months ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಮೆಚೂರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್.
ನೀವು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ, you are not belongs to that board. You have been deputed to the board. Now they have been repatriated to your original position. Yes. Girish is directed to take notice. Yes, at the request of council for the
interim order extend.
Interim order idea?
Amaya.
Nobody has filed an application for vacating also. Yes. Interim order granted earlier is extended till next date of hearing. Yes.
Serial number 20, Lokesh PC petitioner party in person.
Yes. What is that? What are that?
Hello, namaste.
Compensation to be supported by the index. Office objection, we have to comply, Mr.
Complaint, sir. Complaint ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ sir.
No, there are 4 office objections, still more is there. Yes. How much time you require?
By today we'll complete.
2 days time is granted to comply office objection. Is this matter on 19th?
Okay.
Yes, in the meantime you comply.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Serial number 21, SP Mukkanappa.
Petition. Kindly permit me to withdraw the
Yes.
petition. I filed a memo.
Council for
Respondent state is the respondent.
Notice for respondent number, all respondents. Yes. filed in a memo seeking leave of this court to withdraw this writ petition. Memo is taken on record. The above writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn.
Much.
We just
Petitioners.
Office objection.
My lords, we are not relying on any of the annexures, my lord.
Annexure E, B and
Lords,
D.
we are not relying on any of the annexure, my
What is
lords.
that annexure B? Another annexure B. Read. What is that E?
Lords, copy of C and R also. My lords, the similar petition has been already filed before this honorable court, my lord.
Yes,
And
what is this matter?
my lords, this is in this case, the petitioners are the teachers and working in Murari is a residential school, my lords. There is strong apprehension that respondent number 4 may terminate the petition at any point of time. And the similar matter has been posted before this honorable court, and the interim order has been granted in writ petition number 20366 of 25, my lords.
An interim order.
My lords, not to disturb the petitioner or not to terminate the petition till the matter is disposed, my lords.
What is this? You are seeking mandamus. What is this? Give the facts of the case, mister. What is this facts of the case, mister?
My lords, please kindly pass. I'll do it, my lords.
Yes. Is this matter? On Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yes.
Grateful, my lords.
hearing interlocutory application matter, serial number 23, Shrikant MP,
Lords,
Satish NK for petitioner, Jayakar Shetty H.
in this matter,
Before my
Lords,
learned friend
I see
commences,
from Lords,
Lord, there
2
are-
days
the
accommodation.
petitioner has not complied with your lordship's orders
And
passed
I'll
on.
answer, my Lords, I'll answer. my
There
Lords,
are two
everything.
orders passed by lordships which the petitioner has not complied with.
Yes. What is that order?
My Lords, my Lords,
No,
the-
first let me see what is that order which.
Yes,
you
my
had-
lord.
Yes.
Lord,
When?
28th of April, there are two orders. Lord, first is 20th of November 2024,
20th November.
20th November.
Yes.
Lord, if I may read that, IA number 3 has been filed under section 151 CPC by the petitioner seeking stay of the office order, wherein in terms of the said order, the office order dated so petitioner is transferred
No,
from
20th or 27th?
20th 20/11/2024.
11.
There is an order on IA 3.
Yes. Read.
Lord, IA number 3 has been filed under section 151 CPC by the petitioner seeking stay of the office order dated 21/5/2024 at annexure ACE, whereby in terms of the said order, the office order dated 21/5/2024, petitioner is transferred from metering utility automation division to customer service and coordination division and was directed to report to the joint director HOD. It is the case of the petitioner that there are certain functions to be discharged by her before she could wind up the project on which she is working, and in this regard, a representation was made to the respondent seeking retention till completion of her task. Reliance is placed by the petitioner on annexure so and so along with IFR direction, which are minutes of so and so review meeting. The petitioner relies on the very same document at annexure R33 as regards the observation made at clause so and so of the minutes of the meeting under the caption PRSG suggestions, recommendations, and more particularly as regards to the stipulation in specific with respect to the patent stroke copyright. Petitioner has also placed reliance on minutes of the meeting insofar as the requirement of filing the final UC and state of expenditure through the CPRA to MATI. The petitioner submits that there are certain other minor requirements in winding up the project. Accordingly, request for further time. Sri so and so learned counsel for the petitioner for and accord due credit for the work done while filing of patent copyright. The role and recommendation due to the petitioner requires to be taken note of appropriately as is permissible under the prevailing practice. Needless to state that all necessary infrastructure required by the petitioner needs to be taken care of by the respondent till the end of the period stipulated above. So therefore, there was a project, and in the meantime, the petitioner was transferred. Lord, this honorable court directed that 1 month extra to be given on 20th of November. Lord, that we gave time till, namdi order really. Not by an order dated 28/1/2025. From January 28th, we extended the time by one more month.
Now it is complete.
No, after that, it's complete. The project is complete. Only some testing had to be done. Thereafter, now see the second order dated 28th of April. 28th of April, 2025. That project is complete. We have sold it to State of Kerala, the product. State of Kerala has placed an order for supply.
28th,
28th of April, 2025.
Yes.
After hearing the learned counsel for the petitioner,